Welcome or welcome back to Cali Resin and Stuff. Welcome winter with me. We're going to switch out the decor for this station, and literally you're in for a treat. We're going to make some melted snowman cookies. The last time we decorated this station, we only used a few sections. In hindsight, I realized I don't need shelves with just trinkets. I need it to be functional with the minimal space that I have. I decided I would make a hot beverage mini bar. All of the decor in this video is from Home Goods and Hobby Lobby. All food items are from Home Goods, the Dollar Tree, and Sprouts. As I mentioned before, interior design is one of the things I'm most passionate about. I always like to repurpose items from previous designs or events, like this table runner. Family, I must let you know that Hobby Lobby has an amazing deal on seasonal decor. Right now, everything is half off. This mini pine tree was 50% off, so $2.50. The teddy bear I already had. This round, ruffled placemat fit perfectly in the serving tray. I really like the idea of this wooden vase. It housed this plaid poinsettia plant perfectly. The candy and cocoa mix is from the Dollar Tree. One thing I love about Home Goods, and even Cost Plus World Market for that matter, is how they have specialty treats and foods from all around the world. I made a special trip to Sprouts for vegan marshmallows, but got sidetracked with this gingerbread biscotti. I stopped eating pork about 15 years ago, and ever since then, Dandy's has been my go-to for vegan marshmallows. A spoon or two of instant coffee to some cocoa creates a delightful mocha. I already have these coffee mugs. This coaster set was too adorable, but I can't tell if it's a deer or a moose. At the half-off price, these floral pieces were only $1.49 each. These pine sachets will add a nice aroma to this display. I got these for half off, so they were only $1. I was determined to try making these melted snowman cookies that have been trending. You can, of course, buy ready-made sugar cookie dough, but I prefer to make my own to ensure that less preservatives and ingredients were used. For the bar, we use the mini marshmallows, but for the snowmen, we will use the larger ones. We will top our cookie with white chocolate melts. For the snowmen's face and their scarves, you could use other colored chocolate melts, but I chose to use colored icing. They were cheaper. I had the idea to place the melts right on top of the hot cookies as soon as they came out of the oven. And then I just smeared the chocolate with a spatula. You could even melt the chocolates and pour it on top of the cookie, but I felt like this eliminated a step. While our chocolate is hot, we're going to add our marshmallows and our M&M minis. I use those as the buttons. For the snowman's arms, I added the black icing to a Ziploc bag and punctured it with a toothpick. I was so pumped and inspired when I found these snowman earrings for $2.99. I have about 200 pair of earrings. All right, so this is what I was trying to do, and this is what I did. A few days later, I went back in and gave it another try because I was so frustrated. This go around, I painted the faces on the marshmallow before I placed them on the cookie. Now I am satisfied and in the mood for a cold beverage, like a tall glass of eggnog. The purpose of this channel is to uplift and inspire. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time, bye!